What's up? Welcome back. So I was doing this little piece here for somebody that she wants to put it in her wine area in the house and kind of wants it kind of spicy, glittery. So I'm going to use some crystals around the edges. So getting the crystal started. Of course, this is going to take forever if we do it at this speed, so I am going to speed it up, and here we go. So fast time. So the crystals around, of course, I'm using the heat gun and I'm putting them in. I'm trying to not make it too thick around the edges, but I do want to make a barrier for when I do lay the resin down so it doesn't leak through. I do have frog tape on the other side. If you're wondering how I do the frog tape, I have another video. You can look for it somewhere on my channel. So finally got it done. It did take me a while, and you can see in the background over there I'm getting the resin ready, and I am using just resin. I cannot remember the name of it off the top of my head, but it is a nice beautiful blue, and I don't know, tell me what you think. Do you think it's too dark blue? She wanted a little bit lighter, but I didn't have it, and I did order some more, so I'm waiting. Again, this project is just kind of winging it. I haven't done anything like this, so just having fun with it. I did put a clear layer of resin around, and then I put the white in, just because I wanted to keep the colors kind of away from the crystals. And I'm pushing it. Don't forget to use that heat gun. I do use the heat gun quite a bit to get those bubbles out. And I'm gonna move it around a little bit because I just don't want to use too much resin, period. So again, that you can see the just resin there. That is a resin paste that I'm using, and the other white, that is mica powder that I'm using. A little bit of different density between the both, and you can see how it pulls. The white was going over the blue. I'm using the heat gun again, and now here for the special effects I'm using the hair dryer. I'm hoping, because at this point really again I'm just like, okay, what do we do for these effects? Let me get it going. I just picked up the hair dryer and I said, let's try it and see how it works. And actually it came out pretty good. I really like the effects, and I did put some alcohol ink in the white to help with those colors, and it came out really like shimmery. But I'm moving it around again. I didn't want to put too much resin. There was some areas where the blue went over, but it's okay. It looked like it was supposed to be like that, I guess you could say. That is really nice here, pushing everything out, trying not to go overboard, including that white. Now it is white here, but later on you will see it gray, because I showed the young lady and she was like, yeah, I think I want gray better, so I incorporated gray. And I did paint the outer edge of the look at how pretty the canvas gray as well. So see here, yeah, you can see that there's the gray, so it does look a lot prettier with the gray and the crystals. But look at that. This is about 24 hours later, but look at the detail, look at the lacing effect. So it came out really pretty, a lot better than I thought. So now it's done. So now we gotta get ready to use, and you can see me there in the reflection when you get ready to put these words on here. But I wanted to do some more areas where it wasn't so round, to see the little areas where the crystals come out, so it wasn't just round. Kind of gives it a little bit of spiciness, I guess. So here's the critcut or cricket. I don't know how you say it. I keep getting corrected. I guess it's a cricket, but I swear it looks like a critcut. You let me know below. So this is what it looks like. Really my first time using that. Again, this is just something brand new to me, but I enjoyed and I learned in the whole process. And look at the detail. I actually I did another clear coat of resin, and I put a little bit of glitter in it, and I think it worked out beautifully. Look at that, it looks pretty. Not overboard, but the detail is really nice. Yeah, and it's already in their home. She's already home. Look how beautiful. So thanks for watching. I just enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy watching too. So leave me some comments below, and have a good day. Bye.